Hello guys, after a long time I will be tell you how to select the stocks. Everybody select the stock but we don't know how to enter the stock and which stock it will move the upward direction or downward direction or sideways direction also. So today we have to I will tell the how to select the stocks that I know. Okay, nowadays if we sell the stock, sometimes the 1 hour candlestick also, the stock suddenly move upward or downward direction also, or sideways direction also. The market move the opposite direction. So we have to think how much profit we have to know. Then how much stop loss we have to fix it. Nowadays, more than 2 to 3 months, the market is event only. So I will tell you uh, which stock where we select the stocks. Here we see this is one of the type of stock we selected in uh, pre-open market stocks. Here you selected that. See the change percentage. I will see the first Axis Bank, Tata Motors, Zeal in positive direction, and you see that the market is green or red. After that, we see that direction of positive or negative in Nifty 50 or F1 stock also. Most of the time I select the F1 stocks only because it will it will change great percentage in minutes or hours. If you selected the characteristics sales HDFC, otherwise we select the top 10 gainers or loser stock. Here we see Eicher Motors and Adani Ports, Bharat Airtel in gainers, losers JS Steel, Tata Steel, Hindustan Bank. This stock, it will not, if you see the Eicher Motor, it will not start 9:15 to 3:30 time. This stock will not in full time. It could be changed anytime also. So we have to think when we want to enter the stocks and when we want to exit the stocks. Yes. Most of the time I select the F1 stocks only because it will move create a change in a day. You see Nifty 50 is move only 3 to 5% only, but F1 stocks it will be move change 10% or 15% or more than 20% also it will change. Loser also, loser sides Nifty 50 and F1O, but F1O is very difficult to understand. It will move the great change momentum in this stock, so it's very compared to Nifty 50, it will be have to think the stock which will move upward and downwards and when will the stock will enter. This is the first want to say pre-open market, otherwise top 10 gainer losers Nifty in Nifty 50 or FNO stock also, and otherwise I have seen the money control also. In between money control and NSE website, some more time money control will update the stock immediately. Top gainer, top loser in the, otherwise active open. Sometimes also I see the open increase and increase open interest and increase in price also, and increase in price and interest and decrease in price also due to the compare between the market open price and negative direction also. Even though I selected the bell, if you see the bell, we have to know, we have selected any stocks, but we have to know which time we have to enter the stock also. That is very important. And we know about the percentage we want. That's why then we will be success in this market also. Here you see, some persons will be 15 minutes candlestick, some person 30 minutes, and some person 1 hour. More the time this type of only stock will be selected. Many person will select in 15 minutes or half an hour candlestick also. Half an hour, the top candlestick is 93 rupees. It will be cutted, then only the buying price also. So it will move 94, almost 1.3 percentage. The profit will be get, but you will be decrease the percentage of this. Then will be the profit will be, you will get it. One more thing, you will be see that quantity will be increased, the percentage will be decreased, then the strategy will be work, you will get profit. Sorry guys, because I not clearly speaking, because the coder is not working properly, I think so. So this is way I have to select it. Half an hour, 15 minutes candles also, 40 minutes. Every time we have to select this like this, like that only. So hope you guys, I know I will tell everything. I also learning now only, and I will get profit like this only. More of time I selected on 50 minutes candlestick only. 50 minutes breakout I will buy it and set the 0.3% or 1% or 2%, 1% like that only. I increase my quantity, and the percentage will be 0.3 or 0.5 only, or 1% like that only set it. So hope you guys, thank you, subscribe my channel.